To create a new file in VS Code, click on the double page explorer icon followed by the single page icon, give your file a name, and suffix it with .js. To set a variable, we use the keyword let followed by the variable name, a single equality sign, and the value we want to store in the variable. Let's start with logging these variables to the console with console.log. Start a pair of backticks in the parentheses. Open a cache curly brace pair and type in the variables. We'll also do a longer example of this as well to show that variables can be combined dynamically in lines of text. This method of logging to the console is called a template literal. Open the terminal with Ctrl backtick. To run the file, type node followed by the file name.